kids! Welcome to our online reading tutorials for children. Day 1. Let's begin. This is letter A, capital or big letter A. This is a small letter A. A says A. A. Say it again, kids. Good job. A. A is for apple. A. Ant. A. Arrow. A. Avocado. A. Anchor. A. Ask. A. This is capital or big letter B and a small letter B. The sound is B. B. Say it again, kids. Good job. B is for basket. The basket is big. Big basket. B. B is for bag. B. Bat. B. Band. B. Back. B. A. B. A. B. A. B. Ab. Ab. B. A. B. A. Ba. Ba. A. B. Try to do this activity. Match the beginning sound of the letter with the correct pictures. Let's check your answers. A is for ant. A. Arrow. B is for bag. B. Bat. Did you get all the correct answers? Good job! Let's recap. Today we have learned about capital or big letter A, small letter A. The sound is A. Capital or big letter B and small letter B. The sound is B. A, B, B. That's all for today, kids. See you tomorrow for our Day 2 lesson. Goodbye.